All right, we got kind of a different video for you guys today. The plan originally was to come out here, spend a day camping, get camp set up, show you guys all that fun stuff, sleep overnight. But with the weather, I decided to do just a half day today. We're still gonna set up camp, get you guys some awesome views out here, and just have a good time having a little bit of adventure. I've got my Goofy dog here with me today. He loves this kind of stuff. Thank you so much for watching, and let's go have an adventure. All right, so I think before we get a fire going, we're gonna go explore the river down here, maybe do a little fishing. If I catch a fish, that'd be pretty cool. I hope there's fish in the river during the winter anyway, but got a bunch of food here. I'm planning on cooking some pork rice bowls. I've got rice, pork. I even brought my rice cooker. One of the cool advantages of having a truck with an outlet in the bed of the truck is having that outlet. We can plug in the rice cooker and cook rice on the back of my truck. But if that doesn't work, we can always use the fire and boil some water. Anyway, got the canopy. If it starts to rain or snow or anything like that, we'll set that up. But right now, I mean, look at these mountains, these views. It's super cloudy today. It's supposed to snow, it's supposed to rain. But the weatherman has been wrong earlier this week. So hopefully it stays that way. We have some good weather for this adventure today. Let's go explore this river. Let's see if we can catch a fish and get you guys some cool B-roll of this river. Let's see if we can catch a fish. I forgot to pick up worms. That's usually what we fish in this river, using worms or power bait, but I don't know. We'll use what I have, and if we catch a fish, I'll be sure to get it on camera for you guys. We're here to have adventure, right? This is just kind of a spur of the moment thing, but thanks for following along, and let's have some fun. Well, no luck on the fishing, and as you can see, it's starting to snow a little bit. Let's head back up. I think we can start a fire. If the storm sticks around and it's getting too bad, we'll head out. And the little bit of fun that we had here was still worth it. Like I said, the plan was to camp, stay overnight. That's why I packed everything like I did. There we go. Got a little shelter set up, got the canopy. It's not snowing right now. It's not snowing too bad. It was starting to come down a little earlier, like I said. Let's go ahead and chop up some wood, start a fire. Let's get cozy, maybe make some food and play some fetch with my dog. He loves this kind of stuff, as you guys have seen. Let's do it. Log cabin or teepee? You guys leave it down in the comments down below. I'm gonna do a hybrid of both. So, for Christmas, one fun little thing that I got was a survival kit that had a ferro rod. Had a ferro rod in there that's gonna shoot sparks and start a fire. It's a pretty cool survival kit, but we're gonna try that. We're gonna try this ferro rod, strike it in there, see if we can start the fire with it. I think that'd be pretty cool. After a few attempts, if it doesn't work, I'm just gonna use a lighter. Always have a lighter in your truck, guys. I actually forgot to pack one as I was packing stuff. I was going through a list of what I forgot. Apparently I forgot a lighter and worms. So always have a lighter in your truck, super helpful. Especially if you're going in the outdoors and having fun adventures like this, huh, buddy? So let's see if this works. It's starting to work. Oh yeah. Just to give you guys a little bit of my background, I did grow up a Boy Scout, and so starting a fire isn't a super foreign concept to me with survival stuff like a battery and some steel wool, a ferro rod, a stick. But it's still a lot of fun to challenge yourself and try new things. And honestly, that was a first for me, starting a fire with some toilet paper and a ferro rod. Check it out. Got our little flame going there. I'll feed it a little more, make it a little bigger. We're gonna get cozy here, maybe have some hot chocolate, huh, buddy? Out here doing a solo adventure has been fun so far. And check out those mountains, check out those views. Anyway, if you guys like this stuff, like the video, comment down below, letting me know what you guys want to see on the channel. I'm trying this out as a little bit of an experiment. I want the channel to be a place where you can come and see how to get things done on your Tacoma, how to install stuff on your Tacoma, and just watch me build this thing up into an overlanding machine. That's what the goal is with this thing. That's the vision anyway. If you guys have been following along, you know that I want to see success on YouTube. You know, I want to make this a full thing. I've found that it's a passion of mine making these videos and getting them out there to you guys. So if you're into this kind of stuff and you want to support the channel, subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching. Let's continue this adventure, maybe make some food here. And I think I'm going to try my go at fishing again and maybe explore this awesome scenery that we have available to us. So we've got a nice bed of coals going for our pan to cook our pork. I'm gonna get our rice cooker out, see if it'll cook on the truck. Let's cook up some awesome pork rice bowls. All right, check this out. I think our rice is done. I know I wanted the convenience of the rice cooker over there, but it was just gonna take forever. So I'm gonna set that down there so it doesn't burn my table. We're gonna chop up some vegetables, make our sauce for our pork, and then cook our pork on the fire and have an awesome lunch. All right, let's carefully get our vegetables in there. There we go. We're gonna let those cook up a little bit, soften up, and then add the pork. All right, I've added the pork. We're just letting that cook on the coals. This has been a lot of fun. Fishing, starting a fire, setting up camp. You know, it's a lot of fun. I enjoy it a lot. If you're watching this out there, I want to challenge you to try something new. Challenge yourself. Get out there, have a good time, have a new experience, whether it's going in the outdoors or just something that's a day-to-day thing. I'm not gonna bore you with me eating lunch. We'll probably pack up camp. That's about all the time I had saved for today. We'll go up this trail behind me, have some fun in the snow. Hopefully I don't get stuck, we'll see. I appreciate you guys, and let's finish this up. All right, that was fun. I had a lot of good times. Hope you guys did too. Like I said, subscribe if you support this kind of stuff. Like and comment down below what you think. We'll see you in the next one. It's starting to work. Oh yeah. There we go. We got smoke. Looks like the flame caught.